Joining us right now on Target, the other recent retail results and what they're signaling about the state of the consumer, is Arun Sundaram, the CFRA Research analyst. Arun, what do you think? Because we've had some reports like Lowe's and Home Depot that really highlight a slowing consumer. What's your overall feel for what you're seeing?
Hey, Becky. Yeah, no, I think the consumer spending environment, it remains tepid at best. We're seeing, these big box retailers, the retailers that mainly sell consumables and everyday items doing well. It's the specialty retailers that are still, struggling a bit. That's why, Home Depot, Lowe's lowered their outlook. Apparel retailers, footwear retailers, I think they're struggling a little bit more. But the big box retailers like Walmart, Target, Costco, even Amazon, they're doing exceptionally well in this environment.
So the big box retailers, you think this is a value play? You think there's something else?
Yeah, no, partly it's a value play. Walmart, Target, Costco, they really focus on value. They also focus on newness. They have a really broad product assortment. They don't just sell food and beverages, but they also sell, clothes, apparel, things like that. They also have a really strong digital or e-commerce business. You saw that, this quarter with not just for Target, but also Walmart. Costco's e-commerce business is growing really well as well. So it's really these retailers that sell, a broad assortment of products and really focus on value. Those are the retailers that are winning. Yeah,
it was interesting to see Target actually showing growth for the first time in 5 quarters. So this has been the first, they had 4 quarters in a row where they saw less growth. Part of what they saw was apparel and accessories both pick up too. So it kind of plays into your point with that. Maybe it's signaling that it's not a consumer that doesn't have any money, just pretty picky about what they're willing to spend their money on.
Yeah, no, exactly. I think the consumer is still willing to spend. They have the ability to spend. They're just being very choiceful and selective in where they choose to allocate their dollars. And I think that's why you're seeing the consumer allocate more of these dollars to these big box retailers. But yeah, to your point, Target's apparel sales this quarter were up 3%. That's a 5-point improvement from Q1, which is exceptionally strong. I think in this environment, I think one of the reasons why is their private label or own brands is doing really well. All in Motion is one of their private label brands in apparel, and I think that was up in the low teens this quarter. So they really focus on newness, value. Private label is very important for Target. Target actually has over 45 different private label brands, many of which consumers don't even know about. And I think those brands resonate well with Target customers, but they're also margin accretive to Target sales. So it's kind of a win-win for the customer as well as Target.
Macy's shares were off about 6% the last I saw this morning. They came out with earnings this morning that were better than expected, but they also warned about what they called a very promotional environment for retail at large and shoppers that are really only willing to shop during those promotions. What do you think about Macy's and maybe other department stores?
Yeah, no, that's exactly what we've been hearing throughout this earnings season amongst various retailers. You're seeing really strong growth during these key promotional events, promotional seasons, and even holidays. You go back to like July 4th and Easter, and these major holidays, consumer spending is really strong. So it shows that consumers want to spend. They're just being very selective on when they spend, and sometimes for some retailers, when we exit these promotional periods, you see sales kind of fall off a cliff for some retailers, and that's hurting, some. I cover Wayfair, for example, and, they saw really strong growth during their key promotional events. But then once those promotional events ended, you see traffic and sales kind of fall. So that's kind of the theme we've been seeing throughout the retail space. I expect promotions to continue to increase. I expect promotions to remain rational throughout the rest of this year, but I do expect promotions to increase as we enter the holiday season, which would be good for the consumer.